Team is, can you believe that we are in week 6 and our topic is selling your solution? Now, I'm not going to get into the specifics about the discussion question. I just want to tell you my experience in selling the solution because it is selling the solution. And the first thing I found out the hard way is the language you use. I don't mean English, Spanish, German, whatever it may be, but how you talk to them, your client, in their language, as far as in this case, Daniel's case, the language of restaurants, my case, language of aerospace engineering. If you speak that language, the language, whatever you want to call it, of that person in the industry they're in, you're much more likely to have success. And the second part of that, so step one is speak the right language. And I say that not in terms of English, Spanish, German, or something like that, but as far as the environment that you're in, is it manufacturing, restaurant, what is it? Speak that language. And the second one is with them, or actually whiffy, I guess you could say, what's in it for you or what's in it for your client. So what's in it for me? So think specifically from that perspective when you're trying to sell it, because it's kind of like as we build courses and things like that, objectives and things like that are extremely important. So we build the right stuff, have the right content, but the education ease that it's written in is not really important to everybody. So we want to make things in that we just want to pull out exactly what's important for that person. So the same thing when you're selling your solutions. You want to hit that short-term solution, you want to hit the long-term solution, and why it's important. Now, I say those three: short-term, long-term, why it's important, but always think about that why it's important first. So just flip it. It's like if you want to write a good email, write your email and then take the bottom piece, wrap it up to the top, because that's really what people want to see, what people want to hear. So take the effects of all this stuff, put it up top, and then do your explanations of why. So in other words, you're going to have the effect that you're going to have or that you expect to have, and then the short-term solution, long-term solution, and why it's important in that fact. It's kind of the most success that I've had. So just wanted to pass that along. So when you're writing, remember to speak in the language of the organization, whatever that may be, manufacturing, restaurateur, whatever, and then take it and do your initial write, and then take that summary that we always tend to write at the bottom, put it up on top on what the expectations are, because that's really what matters. Especially in Daniel's case, he's under a lot of pressure to get his business turned around. If he doesn't get it turned around, he's going to lose it. So he wants to know as fast as he can what he can do to win this thing. So have a great week, and I appreciate all the effort you've been putting into this.